Hey, third grade, who's ready to do some math? I am. Welcome to my kitchen. You'll see behind me, I have some of our coffee gear. So we got some coffee stuff, we got some record players, some music stuff, and this is my kitchen table, which is where we're gonna do math today. So you're gonna need your Polygon paper, and you should have all of your Polygon shapes cut out. If you don't have them cut out, pause this video, cut them out first, and then continue watching. Okay, polygons. So a polygon is a closed shape formed by line segments that do not cross. And on your worksheet today, you're gonna see that it has the word poly, and that word poly means many. Okay, so a polygon is a shape or a figure that has many sides. And you might even hear that word poly in front of other words, like if someone is a polytheist, it means that they believe in many gods, which we don't. We believe in one God, so we are not polytheists. So we're going to need to take some notes first on our shapes. So what you can do is put the shapes how I am doing them, and then you can glue them on with a glue stick. I'm not going to do that yet today, but let's take some notes. These first shapes have 3 sides. Say it. What do we call it? Good. Triangle. Can you hear Luna shaking her collar? Triangle. Now, both of these shapes have 3 sides, but they do look a little bit differently. Remember, if we can draw a little square in any of the corners of our triangles or any of our shapes, we call them right. So this triangle on the left is actually a right triangle because where its sides meet at 90 degrees. Okay, some next shapes we're going to use. These are shapes with 4 sides. Okay, this one is a square. Now the lines are a little bit slanted, but this is a square, this is a rectangle. They both have 4 sides, so they both are called quadrilaterals. You might want to say that one out loud. Quadrilateral. Oh, perfect. Quadrilateral. Have 4 sides. Next, a shape that has 5 sides. Can you guess it? 5 sides. A shape that has 5 sides is called a pentagon. Now, maybe you've heard the word Pentagon before as a place. We actually have a place within our government called the Pentagon, and fun fact, if you were to look at it from the sky, it would look just like that. So a pentagon has 5 sides. Now, I don't have a yellow shape cut out for this one, but a shape that has 6 sides, we're going to draw it, is called a hexagon. Okay, a hexagon has 6 sides. I hope I can draw it. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Hexagon. Okay. And this last shape we're going to do is called a shape that has 8 sides. Can you think of anything else that has 8 of something? It's called an octagon. Think of the word octopus. How many tentacles does an octopus have? That's right, 8. Now, you might be thinking, well, Miss J, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. What about 7? We're not going to do 7, but something that a shape that does have 7 sides would be called a heptagon. Heptagon with a P. Kind of cool. Now you'll notice we're not using all of the shapes today, but let's talk a little bit. What could we put on this side for shapes that aren't polygons, right? Remember, a polygon is a closed shape formed by line segments that do not cross. Circle. Okay, a circle is not a polygon because does it have any sides? Nope, it doesn't. It could keep going on forever and ever. Look at this shape. What would make that not a polygon? Right, because the lines cross. What about this one? Yeah, it's not closed. So this top part, even though it does have sides, doesn't have a side at the top. And let's do one more. This heart. It's closed, but there's no specific lines. Kind of similar to the circle, where it doesn't exactly close to form sides. Okay, so that's our polygon notes. Glue those down and save this. You'll need this for your worksheet. Today, I'm going to put this up to the top here. And the last thing that I want to talk about quickly is on your worksheet today. Okay, you're going to see some of these things. You're gonna complete the table, name those in, use your notes, and then at the bottom today, this is kind of cool. If you have mini marshmallows at home and some toothpicks, you can work on creating some of these shapes. Okay, so if you had 4 marshmallows and 4 toothpicks, which I do have, I'll put this off to the side. Okay, what shape could you make? No, I'm just setting mine out, but you could even like stick these together. Like so. Cool. Okay, so the toothpicks are representing my lines. And the marshmallows then are representing the vertex. Yeah, so remember, where those lines meet, the point, we call the vertex. And if there's more than one point, the plural is vertices. Yeah, vertices. So on the square, there's 4 sides. There's also 4 vertices. And look at where these lines meet. They all meet at 90 degrees. I could draw a perfect square in the corner. So get working. I want to hear how it went from you. Let me know.